Today we will talk about the OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Actually, we try to understand why in news. Actually, recently a foreign minister meeting held by the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, in which the obviously the Pakistan is a member, and which actually raised the Kashmir issue. And when the Kashmir issue, so what Organization of Islamic Cooperation said, actually we try to arrange a meeting, arrange a delegation between the India and Pakistan, and as well as we send a delegation to the Jammu and Kashmir. So that's why it is in the news. Although Internal Affairs Minister has clearly said that you should not, or YC should not be diverted by the vested interest, and clearly indication toward the Pakistan. And that's why the Organization of Islamic Cooperation is in news. So let's talk about the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. So remember that it is the second largest organization after the United Nations. Why? Because the 57 member, and United Nations has around 190 members, and after that Organization of Islamic Cooperation is the largest. It is an international intergovernmental organization and founded in September 1969, actually after a summit held in Rabat, Morocco. So remember that, and headquarters is in the Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. This Jeddah is in Saudi Arabia. So Jeddah is a state, Saudi Arabia is a country. And first OIC charter, Organization of Islamic Charter, founded in 1972, and basically in this charter the aim objective of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation we will talk about. So member countries currently 57 and founding countries is 30 including Pakistan. So Pakistan is a founding country. Let's talk about the objectives. So the objective of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation is the collective voice of Muslim world. So whatever is the Muslim world, although there is not all the members is the Muslim majority country, there are some members which are not the Muslim majority country, but they have this significant population residing which is from the Muslim community. So OIC is a collective voice of Muslim, and it safeguards the protect and interest of the Muslim world in the spirit of promoting peace and harmony among various peoples of the world. What is the aim? It aims to preserve the Islamic social, economic and values, and promote solidarity, increase cooperation in social, economic and cultural and scientific and political areas. So this is all about the objective and aims of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Remember that India is neither a member country of this cooperation and nor an observer status. Another thing you need to remember related to the OIC is that the 45th session of the Foreign Minister Summit, which held in 2019, in which actually the Bangladesh proposed that India should be given an observer status. Why this observer status India should be given? Because of the 10% of Muslim worlds live in India. And remember that India actually made its first, or you can say the maiden appearance in the Organization of Islamic Cooperation in 2019, and India invited as a guest of honor. So this is all about the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. India always wanted to be a member of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation because it's 10% of Muslim world, and it will actually neutralize the Pakistan, because Pakistan always raised the Kashmir issue and also the some propaganda again because of in the name of religion, or you can say the Muslim. So this is all about, although the relation between the individual countries of Muslim countries, you can say like Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, you can say Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Bahrain. So relations are good with all these countries. So that's why India want to be a member of this OIC. So this is all about the OIC. What you need to remember that the headquarters in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. The member countries 57, founding member is 30. India is neither a member country nor an observer status given by the OIC. But yes, in 2019 it invited as a guest of honor, and here is the 10% of Muslim world reside. So this is things you need to remember about the India as well as the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.